Already.
Hello, dear beautiful people. Welcome to my another new session. This is my another effort to get closer to my dreams, and I'm standing just beside dreams with English, and he's getting closer to his dreams each and every single day by practicing and by making videos. So today we had a program, and the program was how
Finished?
can we practice our spoken English with AI partner or with a website. So do you think speaking partners is really important for learning English or not? You should make a comment here. And but I'm going to tell you that how can we practice our spoken English without a partner? So brother, could you tell me that how can we practice our spoken English without a partner?
Yeah, brother. Definitely. If you want to practice your English, so you can practice by yourself. You can improve your English by making video, and you can improve your English for doing anything. So, like right now, you can see that on my hand. This is a sunglass. So I can make video. I can practice my English by sunglass. So you can see that this is black of color, and this is look like really mesmerizing. So now I want to wear this sunglass. So this is the way. And if you want to improve your speaking English, you should learn practically. So thank you.
Yeah, brother, you have already provided an amazing thing here. How can we practice our spoken English without a partner?
Yes.
We can make videos every single day for practicing our spoken English.
Yes.
And we can practice our spoken English with ourselves. And we don't need any partner to practice our spoken English.
don't.
Because your phone is your best partner.
Partner.
There is no doubt in that point that your phone is your best partner.
Of learning
Your
English.
phone is always ready to practice English with you. But your best friend, your speaking partner, is not ready to practice your spoken English always. So you don't need any partner to practice your spoken English. But nowadays there is so many apps, so many websites for practicing your spoken English. But if you feel shy to practice your spoken English with anyone, these apps are not working for you. So you should practice your spoken English with yourselves without making any kind of hesitation, any kind of shyness. So this is the way I'm flowing for the last couple of months, and this is the way I'm improving myself. So I would like to tell you that you should practice your spoken English without a partner each and every single day. If you really want to improve your English, and right now we're just having a conversation and making this video for practicing purpose. And I think it's a great way to practice or improve our spoken English. And today I'm really confident to be here, and now I am speaking confidently because I'm here with English speaking partner, and he's a great speaker. There is no doubt. So when I stay connected with English speaker, I don't feel shy. But when I stay alone, at that time I can't speak properly. It is my fault, and it is my biggest mistakes, I think. So I'm working on it, and I'm going after it. I'm chasing it, and I think I will be able to overcome it one day, and I have to overcome it. I must overcome it. So this is the things. And so brother, would you say anything else?
Yeah, brother. I want to say for the beginner, every beginner should be practice every day, every is a single day, whenever get free time, and whenever they go anywhere. So they should just practice English. And right now, I want to say for that people, those who are want to improve her speaking English, they are speaking English. So there is no alternative way to learning English. Okay, so right now I'm here in a different place, and we are making this video just to practicing purpose. And he is a great man, and he also English speaker, as like me, as like other people. And if you want to learn English, if you want to speak English, so you have to practice.
Yeah, I have got your point. As you said, there is no alternative
Right.
or substitute. So I would like to add one point here. There is no secret or magical method to learn English. You have to practice each and every single day.
Yeah.
But there are some magical, no magical way, but there are some steps you should follow for learning English. So you have to do it each and every single day.
Yes.
So these are things. As this video is gonna be longer, and I don't wanna make it more longer. So bye for now. Thanks for watching this video.
Ta-da.